It's in their Google Labs. They don't call it the labs anymore, but it's in beta and you've probably not even heard about it. But it is a TikTok experience full of influencers that are demonstrating product. And when you press on it, it goes directly to the vendor store so the customer can put the item in their cart. This, I believe, is the beginning of something that is going to take over. I mean, you see how TikTok has just come from nowhere and taken over. Right now in China, influencers are literally creating their own QVC channel type thing where all day long they'll just sit there and demonstrate products and grow their own audiences. I'm telling you, influencer marketing is going to take off in 2021. Seriously, here in the United States. And ShopLoop, wait till you see this. And especially right now, like I said, it's in beta. But if you've got a beauty product, they're looking for beauty products. Go over there and try to get connected, because sometimes it's always about being first. That will make you a lot of money.
Well, take that down. I have not heard of that, and I got to check that out. So take that down, Kels. We got to check it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna write it down and I'll put it in the group too as well.
Yeah.
So we just have 2 more questions. We're at 12:45 right now.
Okay.
All right, for Marina, somebody has all my listings from Amazon listed on eBay for higher price. Is it allowed on eBay?
You know what? Here's the thing. If you're not on eBay, okay, I'm going to, yes, not really. It's not supposed to be done. You know, you're not supposed to list drop ship products on eBay as if you are the seller. So yes, that's a violation. I did a search on my products on eBay, and come to find out, somebody was doing drop shipping with my products. At first I was like, I'm so pissed. Then it was like, you know what? I'm not there, so I don't care. They're still selling the products for me. They're taking their cut. They're adding very little value, but it let me know that I could go over there and just immediately jump in, because they can't sell it for the price that I can sell it for, because they got to make their cut. But to answer your question, no, that's not legal. But if you're making the money, and you know, yeah.
I saw that. I sell soap, and I'm going through eBay. I'm looking at different prices, and all of a sudden my soap starts, and lots of it started to pop up, and it was like freak out time. You know, calling over, trying to figure out what's going out. Somebody stole my idea. Blah 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 blah. And then I figured, well, they're buying it from me, and they're reselling it. So what the heck? I don't care.
Yeah, I'm their supplier. You know, I get it. So, you know,
if they call me direct, they could have got a wholesale price.
Exactly.
No, keep buying from Amazon.
We can partner up, right?
Hey, there we go.